Greetings and welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we have Samsung Galaxy A56 5G smartphone, and in this video I'll show you some amazing tips and tricks and hidden features of the smartphone. So if you're planning to purchase this phone or you have already bought this, then this video can be really helpful for you. So watch till the end and enjoy this video. As this phone comes with One UI 7, there are a lot of changes than the previous versions. Let me show you some of them. The first one is sometimes if you swipe down from the top of the screen, it will open your notification center, and sometimes it will open your control center. But the correct way, if you will swipe down from the right side of the front camera like this, then it will always open your control center, and if you will swipe down from the left side of the front camera, then it will open your notification center. This phone comes with new and updated control center, but if you want to set the old one, then simply click on this edit button, click on panel setting and then select together. Now it will change your control center to that older control center. But if you will use the current or new one, then you can fully customize your control center. Let me show you how you can do that. Simply click on this edit button, and now you can drag and drop any of these tiles as per your likings. You can also select how much tiles you want in your control center. After this, click on done. So that's how you can fully customize your control center in Samsung Galaxy A56. If you will open your app drawer, then you can now set all these apps in a single page instead of these 2 or 3 pages. To do that, simply click on these 3 dots and then select sort. Now select alphabetical order. Now it will bring all your application in a single page. Now with the help of AI, you can remove any unwanted object from your images. Let me show you how you can do that. Simply select any image and then click on this AI icon. Now select object eraser. It will take few seconds to scan the image. Now circle the object you want to remove from the image. It will detect it and then select erase. It will very cleanly remove the object, as you can see in this photo. You can even remove any shadow from your images now with the help of AI. Again, click on this AI icon and then select erase shadows, and then it will automatically remove it. As you can see, there is another AI feature called AI select. To use that, simply open your S panel like this. There on the top you will see the option of AI select. Click on this. Now it will recognize your screen. Now you can select any of the part of the screen like this. Then you can set it as wallpaper. You can extract text from any of images with the help of this AI select. You can also turn any of the videos to GIF with the help of this AI select. So you can use this AI select feature from the S panel to do a lot. If you long press your power button, then it will open Bixby instead of opening your power menu. If you wanna set it to power menu, then open your settings and then search side button, and there if you click on long press and then select power off menu. Now if you long press your power button, then it will launch your power menu. One of the best features in this smartphone is circle to search. Now you can search any of the things that you have on your screen with the help of AI. Simply tap and hold the middle button like this and then circle the object you want to search, then it will search it on the Google for you. So you can use this one while using your social media or anything. Simply tap and hold on the middle button and then circle the object you want to search, then it will search it for you on the Google. In a lot of Android devices, you can only split screen with certain application, but in Samsung you can split screen with all your application. To enable this, then open your settings, scroll down and select advanced features, select labs and then enable multi-window for all apps. Come back, scroll down and then open multi-window and then enable this swipe for split screen. Now open any of your application and then swipe up by using 2 fingers like this, and then select any of second application. Then you will be able to use 2 applications at the same time in a single screen. You can fully customize your locked screen. Simply tap and hold on the locked screen, and now you can change the clock style from here. You can select font or colors from here. Here you have a lot of options, you want to add any of your widgets, then tap on add widgets. You can add these widgets. And now if you want to change these quick access application, you can also set it from here. After this, click on done. So that's how you can fully customize your lock screen and make it look really cool. If you want to increase the life of your phone's battery, then enable the next feature. Open your settings and then select battery, and then enable this battery protection. By default it is selected to basics. Tap on this. Now you can select adapted or maximum. You can also dual the messenger application and log in with two different accounts in the same application. To do that, open your settings, scroll down and select advanced features. Again scroll down and then select dual messenger. It will show all the messenger applications which are clonable. Simply enable this and then click on install, click on confirm. As you can see in my app drawer, I have two Snapchats now and I can log in with two different accounts in the same application. If you want to know about all the AI features that comes with this smartphone, then open your settings, select advanced feature and then select intelligent features. Then it will show you all the AI features that comes with this smartphone. You can read about them one by one and you can use them as per your liking. If you want to disable these 3-button navigation and then set gesture navigation, then open your settings, click on display and then select navigation bar. Here it has selected 2 buttons. You have to select swipe gestures. Now you can go back like this, open your recent application like this and jump to your home screen like this. Your phone can read out the name of the caller for you. If you want to enable this feature, then open your dialer, click on these 3 dots and then select settings. There you will see the option of answering and ending calls. Tap on this and then enable this read caller names aloud. Now it will read the name of the caller for you. If you like to multitask in your smartphone, then you can use the pop-up window feature. Simply open any application. Now if you wanna open it in floating or pop-up menu, then put it in recent and then click on this apps icon. There you will see the option of open in pop-up view. Tap on this. Now it will open it in pop-up view. You can resize it from the corners like this. You can keep on using your smartphone normally. It will remain as floating window on your smartphone. You can drag and drop it anywhere, and then if you want to close this, then drag and drop it to this close. So you can use this one if you like to multitask in your smartphone. So these were some amazing tips and tricks and hidden feature of Samsung Galaxy A56 5G smartphone. If you like this video, then please hit that like button and let us know in the comment section which feature you like the most. We will see you in the next one. Till then, have fun and keep on exploring your smartphone.